Find the circumference of a semicircle whose diameter is 4 inches. All right, now we don't really need to draw it, but it will help. Okay, remember a semicircle is actually a half circle. Okay, and the thing you got to be careful about here is when we draw the half circle, we actually have to draw this part, right? So essentially we're taking the full circle, we're cutting it in half, okay? But when we want to find the circumference, we want to find the distance around it. So we do have to actually include this part right here. Now it says that the diameter is 4 inches and the diameter is the length from one side to the other, right? So this whole length will be 4. Now if the diameter is 4 inches, then we know that the radius is going to be 2 inches, right? Because the radius is going to be half of the diameter. Okay. So the circumference is the total distance around, right? Remember the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, but remember, this is for a full circle, right? We're taking the circumference of the half circle, so we're going to divide this by 2, right? So that just gives us pi times r. In this case, we know that the radius is 2, so we're going to do the 3.14 times 2, which gives us 6.28. Now, once again, be very careful about this, right? That is the distance, okay, from here to here, okay? But we actually need to add this here, right? So the total circumference we can say here is going to be the 4 units or the 4 inches, okay, which is the diameter, which is the distance from top to bottom. But then, right, I mean, you can imagine if you walk this or you draw this path here, right, plus that 6.28. Okay, so the total then here should be 10.28 inches, right? And that will be the distance that, let's say you start at one point, you walk all the way around, and you reach your starting point, okay? That will be the circumference of this semicircle.